So it's been really rainy the last 2 days. So that's what my greenhouse looks like. And as you can see, my black cherries are doing really well. It looks like a little forest. And my Valencias are somewhere in there. Let's see if we can get a picture of them. There you go. Let's zoom out a little. All those are Valencias. And those are my Auntie Molly cherries. I'm not sure what's really going on with that plant. The leaves don't look very happy, but we'll get it figured out. But the reason I'm in here is we need to trim this cucumber plant. All plants. They're really bushed out the last few days. And it's growing really tall. So I'm going to need to figure out how to redirect that plant so it starts growing up that way. So I'm going to need to string it. As you can see, my little clips have been doing really well. And there's my cabbage. I have a few of those. We have like 6 plants. And you can see my Nasturtium flowers. So we can zoom out a little more. Alright, so we're now back to one main stem. Let's see if I can show you this better. So you can see that plant right there, that plant is now back to one main stem, and I've done that for 2 of them. So the problem I have now is I need to change the direction. That plant right there is facing in, so I'm going to put a string all the way this way and let it climb up that way instead of trying to go out the vent. Also have this plant right here just going up one main stem, and I'll do that for the rest of them. So that's what I've gotten out so far, and I will bring you back when I'm done with all that. Okay, that looks much better. There's the peas. And you can see one right there. And that's a melon right there.